Ethnic Inequalities in Cycling to Work in London, Mobility Injustice and Regional Approach. Cycling benefits are well known in terms of public health, sustainable transportation, or climate change. Even more benefits from cycling to work. However, cycling to work is popular in areas where cycling is popular in general. My study focuses on London. A popular image of cycle highways, foldable bikes. It has an impressive public transit network, expanding cycling infrastructure, one of the most diverse cities in the world. All of it makes it an interesting case study. However, London has very low rates of bike commuting and it has low ethnic cycling equity. That's what my study focuses on. Do ethnic minorities in London have equal chances of using a bike to commute? What affects cycling to work in London? Does a higher percentage of ethnic minorities in a region reduce the proportion of bike commuters? To answer these questions, I used two methods, spatial statistics and spatial econometrics. The spatial analysis proves that diverse regions with higher percentage of ethnic minorities have fewer percentage of bike commuters, usually less access to bike schemes or cycling infrastructure. My spatial econometric model proves for the very first time a spatial dependence between cycling to work and ethnic inequalities. Cycling to work is dependent on region ethnic composition, how diverse is a given region, on cycling infrastructure, cycling highways, and car ownership rates. My study reveals ethnic inequity in cycling to work in London regions and proves it with spatial model. Ethnic minorities are less likely to cycle due to spatially dependent inequalities. And although my study focused on London, cycling ethnic inequity is true for a lot of cities. But the recognition of ethnic inequality in cycling is very important, and hopefully it's a first step towards policy changes. My research reconfirms the need to address cycling ethnic inequity in transportation policies with consideration of mobility justice. This means addressing the needs of cyclists of distinct groups, of various ethnic backgrounds as well. Here you can access my open access paper and dataset.